Machine learning. It sounds like computers are going to school, right? Well, in a way, they are. Machine learning is how computers learn from data and get better at making decisions over time. Let's break down how it works. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence, where computers learn from experience, just like humans. But instead of learning from real-world experiences, computers learn from data, lots and lots of data. The more data a computer has, the better it gets at making decisions, without needing to be explicitly programmed for each task. Here's how machine learning works. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize the difference between cats and dogs. At first, the computer gets shown a bunch of images of both. Over time, it learns patterns. Maybe it notices that cats have pointier ears, and dogs have longer snouts. This process of learning from data is how machine learning makes predictions and decisions. The more it learns, the better it performs. You might be surprised to learn that machine learning is already a big part of your daily life. It's behind self-driving cars, making decisions about how to navigate traffic. It's what powers your favorite streaming apps, like Netflix, recommending movies and shows based on your preferences. Even voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use machine learning to understand what you're saying and respond intelligently. So, machine learning is all about helping computers learn from data to make better and smarter decisions, without being told exactly what to do. As more data becomes available, the possibilities for machine learning are endless. Machine learning, the future of smart technology. Want to learn more tech terms? Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy explanations.